I feel like if you wear eyeglasses, I don't know what kind of life you live in if you don't got clear frames. Give it, like, what? Why not? Like, if you're talking about black goes with everything, what do these do? They basically glass. I don't care. I love them so much, you couldn't tell me you didn't like them. I wouldn't even believe you. I'd be like, she lying.
Sometimes I shave my legs and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I comb my hair and sometimes I won't.
Hello you guys, Cimplycece here and welcome back to my channel. You guys, I have been getting some questions about my glasses, and I just had this idea that I was going to just, share all of my glasses. This video is not sponsored. They all are from the same, most of them are from the same website. But I just figured I'd just share my glasses collection. Yes, these are prescription glasses. With that being said, I wanted to share this with you guys because people compliment on them a lot, and I don't want to act like I didn't hear you guys or see you guys in the comments. I did. So let's jump into this video. But before we jump into this video, if this is your first time clicking on any of my videos, hello, my name is Cici. And here on my channel, I like to focus on faith, fashion, fitness, and some beauty. And I am documenting my sister lock journey. And if you're interested in what I did to my hair, how I got my sister locks looking like this, the jewelry that's up in here, do not worry, homegirl, baby, I got all the answers. I got everything for you. I did a whole tutorial on this hairstyle if you're interested in seeing how I pinned it up, because look at the hang time, like I mean, when your sideburns is at your collarbone. Can I call my hair long? Anywho, it doesn't matter. That ain't what we're talking about. So, without further ado, like I was saying, not without further ado, I'm sorry. I'm having too much fun. It's been a while since I filmed, so let me quit babbling. But if you're new to my channel, I do focus on faith, fashion, fitness, and some beauty, and I am documenting my sister life journey. If you're interested in those things, if you enjoy yourself here, you like your girl, you smile, you have a good time, please be sure to subscribe. Join my little family here, my community. I appreciate each and every one of you. It's free, and you'll just be able to support me without spending 1 cent. Just saying, yeah, I'll be one of her subscribers. I appreciate you so much. Make sure to hit the notification bell once you do subscribe. If you already subscribed, hit it if you haven't, to make sure you don't miss any of my uploads, because they are very sporadic at the moment, or have been in the past. But what your girl is committing to is every Thursday and Sunday. Yes, I said it. That is finally my schedule. I'm going to keep repeating it until it's ingrained in me. Every Thursday and Saturday I will be uploading. If you come to see me for my sister locks and that's it, I understand. Sundays is going to be your day, ma'am, because that's when I'm going to post everything from my updates, my hairstyles, my journey, anything I'm doing related to sister locks will always be on Sundays. Thursdays are going to be my sporadic day where I get to just post about like my glasses, post about my fashion, post about when I'm going to the gym and things like that, or maybe vlogs. So if you want to get to know me outside of my sister locks, Thursdays is going to be your day. Please come back and just check it out. See what you see what you like, whatever. But now, without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So I'm going to just break them up. I realize I have a few from different places. Majority of them are from Vogue Glam, but I got a few that I'm going to share that are from America's Best. So I'm going to start with those. So the first pair that I'm going to share are these green ones. And this is what these are given. These are by Carl, what's the name? Lagerfeld? I don't know. Can y'all see that? It's by Bro Man right there. I'm assuming Carl is a bro. These are those. Very cute. About me, I really like the big frames. I like the big oversized geek look, but those are those. And these were like the first green ones I ever bought. And purple's my favorite color. Next is green. So second pair is by the same gentleman. And they're these with the get out of here, lock. With the little black, silver but black, frame around it. So I like these. They're giving much like businesswoman office vibes. I like them. And these are like some cheapy ones, so they don't have a brand on them. They just say Style Mark Optical, and these came from America's Best as well. And they got the little kind of shimmer specks in them. But they was cute. They still cute. It's a vibe. So those are the first three pairs. I have one pair of sunglasses that are from Target Optical. So I think I'll just show you guys those. These are my very first prescription sunglasses I ever purchased for myself. And although I feel like they ain't swaggy no more, because when I say I bought them years ago, I mean years ago, but they are still handy for when I'm doing outside activities. And, you know, if it's something where I can, I don't know, like get dirty, these are perfect. And that's what I save them for. But they're wonderful. And so even though they're not swaggy, I don't get rid of them because why not? There's nothing wrong with them. Now, the rest of these I'm about to show you are all from Vogue Glam. This has become my favorite spot to buy glasses because it's just easy to be fun and try new things for a very affordable price. So when I bought these, I just had, I don't know, I thought they were going to hit different. So I'm torn. When I say I think I may have worn these one time, I'm being dead serious. I thought this where it kind of has this marbling and the black, I don't know, I thought it was going to be good. But when I'm seeing it from far away, I just feel like it looks like I got like mammoth tucks. Or I don't know. So I don't wear them. I haven't thrown them out because I was like, it might be an outfit where they just hit perfectly. But apart from that design, which I thought I would like, anything else, like I like the frame, I like the shape of them. You'll see that I have two other pair that have a similar shape, just a different color. So I like the shape. I like the thick arm on the side, but the little mammoth tusk. You know, comment down below. Y'all, you might know what I'm talking about. So it really kind of makes me feel like a way about it. I'm not in love. I don't hate them, but I don't wear them either. So that's saying something. A simple black pair. They look a lot similar to the last pair that I tried on. These, but you know, just black. Because I feel like I wanted some really big ones just to go with anything. So that's what these are. And they have the gold. If you don't know, I'm really a gold girl. I'm not a white gold girl. I'm not a silver girl. I like yellow gold, but you know, I try to have some for both because sometimes you just gotta wear silver. But yeah, those are those. They my babes. Like, I mean, they cute. And then they have the little, I guess it's supposed to implement. I don't know if it's going for like, I don't really want to say it's like cheetah because it's not. It's, maybe it's giving giraffe, if that makes sense. But they're blue. I love them. I think they're really, really cute. Big frames are my thing. It goes with my face to me. And it has a little gold, little detailing on the side. But I absolutely love these. Like, love them. These is giving First Lady of the Church with the gigantic pearl on the side with the gold metal rim. Because she was a whole vibe and she still is. I look like Secretary Cici, and I'm like, oh, me. But I love these. I thought my little bangs would be out the way, but I feel like they're blocking the view. Oh, yeah, that's better. Yeah, so I love these. I love the little pearl detailing behind the ear. And it's fun. It is so many outfits I've come up with, like I've worn, where these are just perfect for it. Like, they're cute. I like the little square nerdy. I like the color, the little like cocoa or brownish or whatever it is. It's cute. These are some of my favorites. I'm not gonna lie. I love them so much. I get a lot of compliments. And yes, they are from mostly older women. But that's the vibe I was going for. These are my yellow babes. They're simple. I like the little plastic look. But this is where I started to explore with colors. So now you'll see, like, even with those, like, they're more neutral. But this is like when I was like getting out of that box of the neutrals, apart from my blues. I just, okay, we got a lash situation here. Thank you. But yeah, so these are just yellow, simple. And I like that they have the little yellow on the end right here behind my ear. But I just like them. Love it. They just pop off my face too. I love how it's like, it's no mistaking if I'm wearing yellow glasses. They absolutely yellow. You heard me? First pair of clear. I love these. To me, they look a lot like this to me, but they're a little different. Like, they're not the exact same, I've been noticing, but very, very similar. And these are just the clear. I've been with the clear vibe since they came out with them. I think they're some of the most cutest style of frames I've ever seen. Like, I feel like if you wear eyeglasses, I don't know what kind of life you live in if you don't got clear frames. Get with it. Like, what? Why not? Like, you're talking about black goes with everything. What do these do? They basically glass. But anyway, no, I just love the style of them. They are super, super cute to me. Like, and I feel like they are a staple that everyone who wears eyeglasses should get. Absolutely. They are going to come through for outfits that you may never have thought about. And if you're a person like my father, he wears glasses. That's where I got my vision from. Thank you, Daddy. But, he doesn't like contacts. So if you're a person like that doesn't like contacts, make sure you got some of these. They so cute. I love them. They are very similar, but they're different. Like, they got the metal arm all the way down, but these are pink. If you can't tell, look, they're pink. And like I said it, I'm respecting pink. You know, I'm not going to even hold y'all. I was never a pink girl. I feel like pink is so cliche-ly feminine. And then I have to come back and say, but when I wear pink, I do feel more feminine. So I guess I learned. But I'm respecting pink. Like, I've bought more pink things in my life here in these latter months, in the latter years, than I've ever done in my whole life. Even when I did my bedroom and you see the little pink pillow right here? Like, when I added the pink, I was really like, are you really about to do this? And I was like, yes. And I did it, and I love it. So these are my pink babes. They look a lot like the clear to me and the yellow. But they're like a little different. Just a little different, you know? But they in there together, and I love those. So those are pink. They are feminine. I got pink clothes, so they pop with it. It makes me want to take off my contacts right now and wear these today. I love how, if I can be honest, how overly geeky they feel. The fact that they're green, the fact that they're also brown or with the tortoiseshell, the fact that the lenses are absolutely massive is why I love these so freaking much. Like, I remember when I got them, I could not believe, like, I felt like they were underrated when I seen them. Like, I knew I liked them, but I fell in love when I got them and I put them on my face. Like, this whole sexy geek vibe I'm giving right now with these gigantic. I mean, y'all probably think, I am. But if I wasn't, you would think I was smart. Like, you would be like, she looks very intelligent. I love these glasses, okay? I mean, ma'am, sir, whoever you are. I don't care. I love them so much, you couldn't tell me you didn't like them. I wouldn't even believe you. I'd be like, she lying. Different. Anyway, check out the clear, but with the tortoiseshell on the top. Look, peep the vibes. Look, let's make sure we get the hair out the way. Ma'am, sir, hello. These are cute. I love these. And I'm like, maybe I should take them off so you could see. You see the detailing on the top? Just making sure y'all caught it, okay? Because don't miss the detail. It matters. It's all in the details. But these, all right, you in the way. These are so cute. I love the tortoiseshell vibe on the side. I like that it just frames the very top. I feel like these glasses even look like they're expensive, but these are just another version of clear with a little bit of something. The frames are a little bit bigger if you compare them to my first pair. Like, ooh. I mean, get on Vogue Glam and just shop like you do for socks. I'm serious. Like, they are so cute. And the quality is really good. My lenses and my prescription comes back perfect. I never have an issue with vision. If you guys want to know about that, none of these have given me any problems. I see perfectly fine with them. They're the same as the ones I got off of Target Optical. It's the same as America's Best. So for it to be an online store and sell these glasses for literally a quarter of what I've been paying for the ones when I was going to Target Optical, and even with America's Best, especially if you want a brand name or something nice, because their nameless ones don't seem to be, to me, as stylish. It's very hard to find it when you go to the lowest aisle. That's why the ones I have are kind of name brands. Even those sunglasses, as dated as these are DKNYs, and they cost me like $200+. You know what I mean? But these literally was like $25 with my prescription. It's amazing. Get on it. Get ready. Look at her. It's like it's giving hearts, but it ain't hearts. It's just, I guess it's a cat eye. It's giving I don't know the era I'm thinking of. It's almost like a futuristic mom, like what we thought was futuristic back in the 90s, if that makes sense. Now futuristic has clearly changed because we're in 23, but if you know, you know. If you're young, you watch stuff like the Jetsons, and I feel like his mama would have wore these. Like, they so cute. Anyway, these are my purple babes, and I love them. I love that they're like plastic. They got the clear, almost jelly feel to them, and they're just obviously purple. And I just think they are so cute. And what is funny is that I bought these glasses thinking, oh yeah, I'm probably going to have to wear purple stuff. No, I don't. Like, I don't know why, but they work with so many different things. They just look good on my face. And I just really, really love these purple glasses. Like, it's another one. Like, if you said they was ugly, like, stop lying. Quit wasting my time. Save your lives for somebody else, okay? I feel like these give educated geek. Look at this. With the gold bridge over the nose. Like, look, the thick. And I think this is giving like tortoiseshell, but it's lighter. But look at this. This is sexy geek. I'm intelligent and I'm sexy. I don't know what else to tell you. Like, I think these are so freaking cute and they look so good on my face to me. I love big frames, like I said. Oh my gosh. Like, they're so cute. I'm gonna put them on. Okay. And these ma'ams or sir cost me only $38 though. So that was the expensive side versus $250. These were $38. I remember that because I was like, ooh, I almost felt some kind of way because if you've been getting on your glass for like $15, like I literally know that I'll be spending about $25 because I would order like 5 at a time and it'd be like $100. So I know I'm spending like maybe $20, almost $20. So when I got these, the price said $38, I was like, excuse me? And I was like, girl, that's still real cheap, so stop being funny. But let me show you what these. Listen, don't even lie in the comments and tell me they're not cute. Don't even lie to me. I'm so conceited about these that I like the other ones. I don't believe you anyway. So don't even write it in there. Even if you do hate them, save your breath. I don't care. I love these. And when it comes to selecting them on Vogue Glam, what I would tell you, this is bothering me. We're going to pin you up at the end of this video. But I picked the yellow on purpose. So you can pick the color frame lenses you want. I can't remember all the colors they had. But when I saw like I can get yellow, I was like, well, why not? Because that's cute. So I have the yellow lens, as you can see when you look through to my white comforter. With the tortoiseshell, the little circles, it's still giving geek. It's still giving nerd and big frames. It's giving goggles. Like, it's giving I'm about to go swimming. And I love it. I love it. So, and with the yellow, and I love these. I just think they are so freaking cute. When I be putting on my little hats, my sun hats and being outside at the pool, I just feel really elegant. I feel like looking at them, since I buy sunglasses, I would have never thought that these were less than $40. I would not have thought that. But I love them. So that brings us to the end. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any question about anything else that I didn't touch base on, please use the comment section down below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you thumbs it up and let me know. Let me know if y'all like me with glasses. And comment down below what's your favorite. If you had a favorite. Don't tell me no, I'm ugly. I really don't care. But if you liked any, you want to share your favorites, share your favorites. Don't nobody really want to hear you talk about what you don't like. If you don't like it, girl, just to the next video. But if you like some, please share that down below. And that's it. That is the end of this video. But you guys, until I talk to you in the next one, as always, stay blessed, stay motivated, and stay close to God. And remember that God doesn't want to trick you. He never wants to hurt you. God loves you and He cares for you. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.
Keep your crystal and your pistol. I'd rather have a pretty piece of crystal. Don't need your silicone. I prefer my own. What God gave me is just fine.